Catch me in the pit bracket. Next. Check this out.
Yo, what is up, guys? This is your boy Joogornot, and this is Producing with Joogornot. So today I'm just going to be showing you how to make a noise really quick video, really simple trick, but you can use it in a lot of your songs, I think, and utilize it in a lot of different places. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the sound I'm going to make today. So pretty dope. You can fill out songs a lot with this, put it in the background, stuff like this. But I'm going to go ahead and get right into it and show you exactly how I made that sound. So all we have right here is just a virtual wire fat rack. You can go ahead and get that on the internet. It's free. And an EQ, which I'll be EQing harder after I make the noise. So I'm going to go ahead and FM from B. Turn on the second oscillator, turn down the level, and then you're going to want to put sync on. It's a very simple noise, by the way. We're also going to take the oscillator here, we're going to raise it up 3, so now we have this kind of noise. And that's getting pretty heavy already, but we're going to make it better, we're going to make it heavier. So I'm going to go ahead and take this sync, we're going to turn it up, and we're basically going to keep turning the sync up until we find a pitch that we like. So here, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So that's heavy, but dope. But it's about to get doper. So we're going to go ahead and also, while we're here, go ahead and turn these randoms down so that it plays the same every time. We're going to go ahead and go into our FX, turn on the compressor, turn on multiband, just to make it a little bit. We're also going to turn on distortion, just add a little bit of distortion. Does not really do much, but this is where the real magic happens here. We're going to come over to the matrix, come to your first source, go to, you're going to go to alpha 1, and then you're going to come over here, go to global, master tune, click, and then we're gonna go ahead and bring this out to about 10, right? Also very important that after we bring this 10, we come over here and push this so that the arrow is going both ways. And after we do that, our sound's it's gonna sound a little weird first. Pretty cool already. So what I'm gonna do is go back to my oscillator page, push trigger. I'm also going to push triplets here, and I'm going to get a 16th triplet going. Alright, so it's still a little crazy right now, so to clean this up, we're going to go ahead and right over here for our aux source, we're going to throw in macro 1. And so basically this comes to here, so now we can modulate this, so it's going to sound like this. And there you have it. It's very simple, very easy to make. And I'm going to go ahead and just, I put together a little small drop right here just to show you guys how I would layer it. And you know, this is something I threw together in like 5 or 10 minutes, so it's not too crazy, but yeah. So yeah, this is the noise. This is where we're throwing the noise in it. So yeah, you get the idea. Sounds pretty dope. And that's it. That's a wrap on the first ever Producing with Joogornot video. So you know, like, subscribe. Shout out to the Xile fam. And I love you guys all so much. We're gonna be doing this a lot more. Lots more tips, tricks, videos, all that kind of stuff. But this is the first one, so work with me, show me some love, and have a good day, guys.